Hello learners, today is Wednesday, May 13th, and it is National Frog Jumping Day. So there are some activities on the side you can do with frog jumps and telling somebody something you learned about National Frog Day. Please also make sure you do the check-in. If you haven't already done so, it's a good idea to print out your weekly agenda so you can check off the activities as we do them. Today is also Sports Your Sunglasses Day for the nice weather. Today you're going to start by listening to Chapter 7 of Who Was Sacagawea. And if you haven't already started, you should start your tribe project or continue to work on it. It does need to be finished by Friday for your video. In reading, you're going to watch the teacher video from Miss She is going to model comparing and contrasting the Lenni Lenape tribe with another tribe, which is also what you're going to do today. You're going to compare your tribe with one of the other 4 tribes on the side. So you can go ahead and look through each tribe's Padlet, see what you can learn about their food, immigration, politics, and all the subtopics that you've also been researching. And then you're going to make a Venn diagram, which is those 2 overlapping circles. So you can do this on the digital version on Google Classroom and type right in it, or you can do it on paper and send me a picture, or some of you have personal Flipgrids I've set up for you to share your work. Just a reminder, all of your resources are here if you need, so if you feel like you want some more information on the other tribe you're comparing, then you can feel to check out their links or their videos to get some more information for your diagrams. In writing today, I've created a video for you to review the 5 text structures: descriptive, compare and contrast, cause and effect, sequential, and problem and solution. You're going to review your write-along from yesterday and start to think about which structure might best fit your chapter so that you know what kind of clue words to do and a general idea to help plan. Okay, so in my video, I will model using cause and effect. My sample is on the next page, and I will use this to help write my chapter tomorrow. Again, all of the graphic organizer templates are available by picture here if you'd like to just copy the text structure graphic organizer into a piece of paper, send me a picture, or you can just fill it out on Google Classroom. Again, you only need to do 1 text structure. Your chapter should only really use 1 text structure, so pick which one works the best. Again, here are your chapter assignments. It's very important that you each stick to your topic for your chapter so that in the end, each of your chapters will be put together to make a book. For math today, you're doing Freckle assignment number 28, which is fraction word problems. You should be getting pretty good at these. And optional are the iReady assignments. Some of you I sent last week information about how you needed a little bit extra practice. You should probably know who you are depending on how you've been doing on the Freckle assignments, or if you've been finding it easy or tricky to do your math journal pages. There are 3 iReady assignments that review fractions, comparing fractions, and equivalent fractions. So it gives you a little mini video lesson as well as a quiz at the end to really strengthen your fraction skills. Fractions are probably one of the most important things that we're doing right now, and you're going to need it for 4th grade, so please check that out as well if you're still struggling. Again, there are optional early finisher activities. For most of you, I know the cursive is probably the most exciting, or the hour of code I know you guys love. So enjoy. If you have any questions, I'm here. Bye, guys.